Half cup rice, okay lang ba sa gaya ko na type 2 diabetic? So, if you have the option po to monitor through either yung finger exam or yung continuous glucose monitoring, yung mga Freestyle Libre, mas maganda pong gawin nyo para makita ninyo kung ano yung effect sa inyo nung half cup ng rice. So remember mga kapatid, yung 3/4 cup has already 10 teaspoons of sugar. So meron siyang 10 kutsarita ng asukal doon sa kanyang 3/4 cup. So kung half cup, so that'll be probably depende sa uri ng rice, so maybe 5 teaspoons. So, syempre, depende rin yan sa stage mo ng diabetes. Kung medyo malalala yung iyong diabetes, it's not a surprise kung pagkain mo ng half cup, biglang magsaspike yan. The only way to know is you monitor. So, you can wear yung Freestyle Libre or you can do yung finger check, ano po yung capillary blood glucose. Kasi depende sa stage na ninyo ng diabetes. Some people already have yung diabetes nila is pretty malala na even yung half cup ng rice really spikes up the sugar. And it also depends kung yun nga, ilang taon na kayong diabetic, ano yung inyong A1C, kung yung A1C ninyo po ay pagkataas-taas, then that's already a marker that your pancreas cannot really handle kahit yung konting amount. Kung naman kayo ay talagang border pa lang naman or newly diagnosed, see how your body is handling that sugar. Nakadepende po talaga yun sa response ng inyong katawan.